Okay, well, I just finished breakfast. Good morning, everyone. And so I'm going to start get ready and start going on some hikes there on some trails. I slept really good in the van last night. It wasn't too hot, it wasn't too cold. Really comfortable actually. So I'm happy about that. And let's take a look at that's what's left of the firewood from the campfire last night. Beautiful morning here at Buffalo River State Park in Minnesota. The sun coming up above the trees there. I think it's somewhere in between 9:30 and 10. Actually slept in pretty late. But it was a good night's sleep. But anyways, I'm up now and just finished breakfast, so I'm going to put everything away, get dressed and everything, ready to go for some walks around the state park. Okay, so I'll talk to you later. Okay, I am all dressed and ready to go to walk in some trails. I'm looking at the map here. I'm kind of deciding what I'm going to do. There's the map. Of course, I'm right there. I'm going to be coming down here. Going to cross that bridge that I saw yesterday. We got the Blue Stem Trail here. I also notice we have the Prairie View Trail here. Goes way all around there. It's a 2.2 mile loop. And I'm kind of thinking right now, I'm leaning towards doing that one first. The Prairie View Trail first. And then come back and do the Blue Stem Trail. And then come back to camp and have lunch. And then take and walk the trails that are over here this afternoon. Yeah. Okay, that's going to be the plan. So I'm going to head over here to do the Prairie View Trail first. We're going to walk down here on the Blue Stem and then over here to the Prairie View Trail. We'll do that one first, then come back to that one. All right. There we go. It is decided. Fold up the map and put it in my pocket. Okay. I'll go down the steps here. All right, coming up that bridge yesterday. I'm gonna cross the Buffalo River. Look downstream. Stop here a second. Nice. A tree laying across the river there. Look upstream. Whoa, wind. And straight ahead there, that's where that picnic area is over there. I'll probably call it a day use area, I think. And there's the Buffalo River flowing peacefully underneath the bridge. I'll be taking a right up here to head over to the Prairie View Trail. Okay, I'm right there right now. We're taking a right, go over here, over the Prairie View Trail. And then I'll be coming back and get back on the Blue Stem Trail again. Okay, so here we go. The Blue Stem Trail right now, en route to the Prairie View Trail. You start out in the woods here. And it's about, I think it's like 10 to 11 right now. Before coming over here, I had to run over and use the pit toilets. Figure I better do it now before getting out on the trail and wishing that I had. And right now it's about 72 degrees, really beautiful, comfortable. It's supposed to get up to like 88 is what the forecast says. So it's be pretty darn warm later on today, pretty hot. But it's supposed to be really windy too, and I can already tell that. Probably picking it up on the camera already on the audio, but just gonna have to deal with it. Isn't that beautiful? Okay. Be going out into the open right now a little bit here. Oh yeah, wind. I gotta walk out into the sun. Say stop here and pause in the shade. My last chance of shade until right over there, I think. But there's the prairie. Tall grass prairie. I'm in the sun. And the wind. Bald eagle up here. Straight ahead. There you go. Wow, we got to see wildlife. Kind of got like a miniature ravine here. Got the prairie grasses to my left. and woods to my right. With the Buffalo River down below there somewheres. And around the little bend there into some shade. Okay, coming up to, I think I want to go left here. And then I'll be taking a right up here by that sign. I'll go take a look and see what it says. Okay. I'll come over here. Huh. I want to go down that direction. Looks like I'll be going there. Yeah. Yeah. Heading towards Prairie View Trail, going that direction. Natural area there. I'll look at that later because I'll be coming back from this way. But okay. So right now I am here. I'm going to head down that direction to Prairie View Trail. I'm going to go up this way, clockwise around, and I'll come back from that direction and go that way on Blue Stem Trail.